Hey guys, welcome back to another picture sharing video. This is Shrestha Singh and you are currently watching me on my YouTube channel Artistic Zone. So basically in this video I'm gonna show you a lot of model pictures on almost every topic which you guys have shared with me on the Facebook group or Instagram, so that it can help all those students who are preparing for their situation test. So because not everybody is going to choose the same question and make the same model, right? So without any hesitation you can also share this video with your friends to help them in this pandemic situation. Because friends,
तो या फैमिली दुआएं तो सब देते हैं ना.
So without any further ado, let's start this video. And please make sure you watch this video till the end to consume a lot of ideas and inspiration from it. So yeah, let's get started. So this is a lady's handbag beautifully created by Juhi. As you can see, the design elements has been cut very precisely and the color combination is also looking very decent. And this is an outstanding hat created by Abhijit. As you can see, those flowers are looking absolutely amazing on this and the color is also just wow. This is a cute pink little cap for kids beautifully created by Juhi. And this is a very nice memento on Corona, and the right one is a window display unit for a fashion store created by Nancy. And this is a very creative award for the best artist, and the right one is again a model on Corona warriors. This is a very beautiful bedroom model crafted by Seema Sani, and as you can see, the little details are also very precise. So yeah, good job Seema. And this is a fashion window display unit for beach wears created by Nisha. I love the color palette she has used in this model. So yeah, try to focus on your color palette also because it makes a huge difference the way your model looks. So these are some perfect models created by Rush, and the right one is a very beautiful wedding gate which is looking absolutely amazing. This is an award for the best poet. And this is for the best actor, and this little hat is looking amazing. And this is a very nice award for the best sailor created by a lot of patience and dedication. And this is an award for the best singer which is created by Seema. And this beautiful hat is created by Yavi, taking inspiration from underwater creatures. And this is an award for the best artist which is looking amazing. So this is a very beautiful paper doll crafted by Smriti, and as you can see, the colors are also looking well balanced. Good job. And this is a very nice Kusudama flower with a flower pot created by Anshu. If you want to learn how to make this flower, I have already uploaded a video tutorial, so please go through that. Link is mentioned in the description box below. So these are the masks created by Anshu and Mahendra. So this is an amazing weaved sandal created by Smriti, which is looking absolutely beautiful. And this is a very pretty picnic spot created by Sapna. And this is a fashion runway created by Sanjana, which is very nice. And this is a very impeccable kitchen space again created by Sanjana. And this is a very creative handbag for artists created by Pallavi. And this is a window display unit for a fashion store created by Pratiksha. And this classroom model is created by Chaya, which is looking amazing. So this is a very nice fashion runway beautifully created by Juhi. And this is a very colorful newspaper bag again created by Juhi. And this is a model of salon created by Shraddha, which is looking amazing. This is a very beautiful night lamp created by Juhi. And this is a very nice neck piece created by Ribbon and Threads. And this is a wedding entrance gate created by Sandra. So this is a very pretty shoe for kids created by Keshwa. As you can see, it has a very unique quilling design on it, which is looking beautiful. And these two models are created by Keshwa and Kavya for those people who are contributing their lives during Corona pandemic. And this is a very creative cylindrical table organizer created by Mahindra, and the next one is to promote handmade in India, beautifully crafted by Shruti. And this is a window display from Just Newspaper, very creatively done by Anshu, and I just love this mask created by Smriti, taking inspiration from Worli. And this is a very nice newspaper cycle created by Smriti, and this is the model for Corona, beautifully crafted by Anshu. And this cute little hat is created by Jyoti, which is looking very nice. And this crossbody bag is created by Nisha, and the fashion ramp is created by Vanshika, and the best volunteer award is created by Anamika Agarwal. So this is a very well balanced living area space created by Juhi. And this beautiful headgear is inspired from Lord Krishna, which is created by Smriti. And this is a window display unit which is created by Mahendra. This is an amazing stage design which is created by Juhi for singers. And this is an award for the best cricketer which is created by Smriti. And this is a very nice handbag inspired from camera with lots of compartments and functionality created by Nisha. This is a very beautiful marriage entrance again created by Nisha by taking inspiration from Peacock. It is looking beautiful. These models are created by Mahendra and Pragam by taking inspiration from underwater creatures. And this is a wedding gate which is looking absolutely creative, which is done by Charu. These two are very beautiful room space. So this beautiful bag is created by Gaurav, and this creative kindergarten classroom is created by Sri Shraddha, which is looking absolutely amazing. And this is a futuristic model of a telephone which is for official purpose created by Sri Shraddha. And this is a bedroom space created by Kavya. I think she could add more elements like cupboard and all that. This is a diary for a sports person created by Pragam, and this is a very pretty couch created by Aditi. This is the fashion runway created by Keshwa, which is very nice. And this is a wedding entrance created by Sapna, which is looking beautiful. And this kitchen space is created by Shraddha. And this is an award for the best cricketer.
So if you found this video helpful, make sure you hit the like button, the subscribe button and the bell notification button so that you videos. And if you have any further queries related to your situation test preparation or your Nift entrance examination, you can just post them down in the comment section below, or you can just join the Facebook group to post your model pictures, your drawing pictures, your sketches if you want my personal feedback on that. So yeah, for now, thanks for watching this video, and bye, milte next video mein.